Hello, Lili here. Today we are starting with Class 3, Chapter 3 of your SST textbook. The name of the chapter is Knowing Our Earth. The Earth is spherical in shape, but it appears flat to us. Have you ever wondered why is it so? It is because the Earth is very big compared to us. With an example, you will just understand more better. You just imagine one ant walking on a watermelon. So, we know that watermelon is round in shape, but for that little ant, it is just walking on a flat surface. That also happens to us. Now let's start the reading. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system which has life on it. About 2/3 of the Earth is covered with water. A blue planet. In the pictures taken from the space, most part of the Earth looks blue. Do you know why? It looks blue because most of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Hence, the Earth is called the blue planet. Globes and maps. The Earth is a huge planet. We cannot see the whole of it at one time. So, we use small models to see it entirely and to study about its different features. A globe is a spherical model of the Earth. It shows different countries, cities, landforms, and water bodies and helps us to find the location of different places around the world. A globe does not show all the places located on the Earth in detail. A map helps us to study a part of Earth in detail. Maps. A map is the drawing of the Earth or a part of it on a flat surface. It shows details of places on the Earth. There are different types of maps. Some of them show countries, states, and cities, while others show landforms such as mountains and hills. Key terms. Model means a small-scale replica of something. Landforms means natural features on the surface of the Earth. Maps are of different sizes. Small maps can be folded and carried easily. There are large maps too that we can hang on the walls of our classroom or study room. These maps are called wall maps. A book of maps is called an atlas. We locate places with the help of directions. There are 4 main directions. They are north, south, east, and west. We can also use a compass to find directions. A compass looks like a watch and has a needle that always points toward the north. Once we know the north direction, we can easily find the other 3 directions. Sailors use the compass to find out directions while sailing. As you can see, this is the picture of a compass. Use the picture to answer the questions. Number 1. What is shown in the picture? A globe. Number 2. Could we use it to locate our friend's house? No. Key terms. Sailors means people who work on a boat, ship, or a cruise. Recap. About 2/3 of the Earth is covered with water. The Earth is also known as the blue planet. Globes are small models of the Earth. A drawing of the Earth on a flat surface is called a map. Big maps that can be hung on the wall are called wall maps. There are 4 main directions. A compass is used to find directions. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. The Earth is also known as the blue planet. Number 2. About 2/3 of Earth is covered with water. Number 3. We use a dash to find direction. Compass. Number 4. A globe is a spherical model of the earth. And for answer the questions, you will refer to the notebook. Unscramble the letters to form new words. Number 1 is globe. Number 2, directions. Number 3, atlas. Number 4, surface. And number 5, north. Okay, let's come to the question and answers. The first question is, why is the earth called the blue planet? The answer is, Earth is called the blue planet because most of its surface is covered with water. Number 2, what is a globe? The answer is, a globe is a spherical model of the earth. It shows different countries, cities, landforms, and water bodies and helps to find the location of different places around the world. Number 3, define an atlas. Answer is, a book of maps is called an atlas. Number 4, name the 4 directions. They are north, south, east, and west. And the last question is, how does a compass help the sailors? The answer is, sailors use the compass to find out directions while sailing. Now, let's come to the workbook. Worksheet number 1, fill in the blanks. Number 1, a collection of maps is called an atlas. Number 2, all maps follow a system of directions and a scale. Number 3, the study of maps is called cartography. Number 4, Earth is the largest globe in the world. And number 5, a cartographer is a person who draws maps. Answer the questions. Who proved that the earth is round? What was the general belief about the shape of the earth before this discovery? Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is round. In ancient time, people believed that the earth was flat in shape. Number 2, why it is preferable to use a map instead of a globe. Number 1, maps can be folded and carried easily. And number 2, it shows the details of places on the earth. Write one sentence on each of them. Physical maps. It shows the earth's natural landscape features. Number 2, political maps. It shows the political divisions. Number 3, globe. It is a spherical model of the earth. The next page, worksheet number 2, fill in the blanks. In a map, mountains, hills, and plateaus are denoted in different shades of landforms. Number 2, the scale of a map shows the relationship between the distance on a map and the distance on the ground. Number 3, 4 intermediate directions are used in a map. And number 5, a map key is used to explain the meaning of the symbol used in a map. Name the main and intermediate directions. The main directions are north, south, east, and west, and the intermediate directions are northeast, southeast, northwest, and southwest. And the last question, draw the symbols used to represent these physical features. So the bridge, major river, mountains, state borders, and country capital. So if you enjoyed my video, do like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.